Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. We are back on our journey to learn Python for AI agentic development. In the last lesson, we were covering thoroughly type hinting, and today is the time to wrap that all in a short and sweet summary. So, what we learned basically was how to type hint the Python variables, how we can ease our life in Python by giving generic data types, and how we can concise and what we say organize our type hintings in a better way, in an understandable and memorizable way by using type aliases. But here's the catch: you should be careful about two things when you are type hinting, and that is, first of all, you should be consistent while type hinting. For example, you make a variable called count and you say it as 10, and after that you make again a variable called names, but this time you start giving it type hinting. You are starting to give type Python the hint that this is a string, and then you are saving the things in it. For example, Hussein. This is not a best practice because it will lead astray the developers that whether are you using the type hinting or not, and they will mess up mentally. Instead, if you are using type hinting, use it everywhere. Use it not sparingly but generously. Okay, so that's how you make your life and the life of other developers, your friends, your peers, easier and more facilitated. Secondly, you should avoid making large type hints like and dictionary, in it a dictionary. This will mess up your code. For example, if you are making a function called messy function and passing it arguments called messy args, and then using these type hints as a type, imagine what will be the state of mind of the developer who reads this. He will be agonized. What the mess you have made. So just copy these things, and instead of using them like a 5-year-old kid, store them in a store type, just arbitrarily giving names, and then use those type aliases as the type hinting manner, and then return whatever you wish to return. This way your code will be more comprehensive and understandable for your audiences. We have made some error here. Too few arguments for typing. Dictionary expects two arguments. Dictionary type expects two arguments, and we have only given it one. So this is our first argument, and this is the second one. I was assuming this, but I don't know why. Oh, in this second one, we haven't. Just make it like this. Now it will probably work. Perhaps we have forgot a comma. Where is that comma? Okay, here we have forgot. Okay, I was using columns instead of comma. I am accustomed with C and JavaScript, so I was making a mistake. But fortunately, bugs makes us more perfect. So I learned also with you that we should use commas instead of columns in type hinting and type aliases. Thank you very much and meet you in the next lesson.